Hi there, welcome to another episode of Kelvin Teach, and today I'll be teaching you how to write the best body for your blog post. Writing a blog can be daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, anyone can produce quality content that resonates with their target audience. A good blog post is more than just pretty words and fancy fonts. It should be well structured, easy to read, and engaging. In this video, we'll be discussing the key elements to keep in mind when crafting the body of your blog post. Number one, start with an outline. The first step to writing a great blog is to create an outline. This will help you organize your thoughts and ensure that you don't miss on any important point. Your outline should include the main points that you want to include in your blog, as well as the supporting details to add more meat to your blog. By creating an outline, you can ensure that your blog post is well structured and easy to follow. Number two, write clearly and concisely. When writing the body of your blog post, it's important to be clear and concise. Your writing should be easy to read and understand even for someone who is not an expert in your topic. Avoid using overly technical jargons or complex sentences that are difficult to follow. Instead, use simple languages and short paragraphs to make your points. Number three, use subheadings. Using subheadings is another great way to make your blog post more readable. Subheadings break your content into smaller, more manageable, and digestible chunks for readers to scan and find information that they are looking for. Make sure that your subheadings are descriptive and accurately reflect the content of each section. Number four, provide value. When writing the body of your blog post, it's important to provide value for your readers. Your blog post should answer a question or solve a problem that your readers are looking for. Make sure that you are up to date and include relevant sources or citations to back up your claims to make sure that your blog is provable. It's true. Number five, conclude strongly. Finally, when wrapping up your blog post, make sure that you conclude strongly. Your conclusion should summarize your main points and leave your readers with something to think about. You might include a call to action, such as inviting readers to leave a comment or sign up for your email list. Now, writing a great blog post takes time and effort, but by following the above tips or the tips that we have discussed, you can create content and engage your readers and make them keep coming back for more. I hope you have enjoyed, and make sure that your blog post follows the guidelines that we have provided. Thank you for watching.